First, just preheat your oven to 350. Grate about a cup of zucchini. Mix all of your wet ingredients. A cup of yogurt, a cup of zucchini, the full one, and then half a cup of sugar. Then you add half a stick of melted butter, so 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 large eggs. Add a little bit of vanilla. Fold in your dry ingredients, 1.5 cups of regular AP flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda combined here. Finally, 1/3 of a cup of cocoa. Whisk that a little bit and then fold it in. Add your chocolate chips. Fill all your cups. Add these to the oven and bake at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. Very nice. This is the finished muffin. So this is the texture of the final muffin. It's super moist. There's a little bit of zucchini, which some people may not like, but overall, looks delicious.